A few last words. Ideas surface in the process of making art, and uninterrupted time is important. It creates flow. And remember what creates flow? Play plus relaxation equals flow. Pauses stop flow. I experienced that in one of my classes. We had 3-hour classes. We had a break at a certain time of day, regardless what we were doing. Often this pause was right in the middle of their work time. And I found a lot of students had trouble getting back into their painting after the break. So I rescheduled the break, so regardless, we took a break after my initial instruction, and then they were free to work on their own work until the end of class. Now this works well. Now here's your task. Consider how you will structure the time in your class. This is not set in stone. It depends on the dynamics of the group sometimes. So think about how you could give your students uninterrupted time, how you can organize your lessons so they have a large block of time to do their work. Once your class has started and you realize it's not working, for example, you can change that. Just change it right away. Make sure that your students have time to work on their own work. So when you're writing down how you might do this, maybe come up with a plan A and then a plan B in case it doesn't work. So do this task now, and we'll see you in the next section.